Hello everyone, I welcome you to the microanalysis sessions for phase 1 NABARD Grade A 2025, and in this session we are going to discuss all about the decision making part of the phase 1. Okay, so yes, let's just start with our today's discussion. We know that in prelims we have total 8 subjects to study for. Okay, out of 8, 3 comes under merit section and 5 comes under qualifying section. Okay, and decision making is part of this qualifying section along with reasoning, English, computer, quant. Okay, and these 5 subjects you just need to qualify the sectional cutoff to get into the merit list, and only the marks from 3 subjects, that is GA, ESI, and ARD, will be counted for your overall merit ranking. That is total 20 plus 40 plus 40 100. Okay, and these 5 subjects will be just in are in qualifying nature, where you just need to qualify the sectional cutoff. So yes, as I said, decision making is a non-merit section. Okay, although it carries 10 marks. Okay, although it carries 10 marks, decision making's total number of questions are 10, and the marks are also 10. Okay, although it carries 10 marks, the score is not counted in the merit ranking. However, it is crucial for you to clear the sectional cutoff, which is as low as 2 marks, and it becomes mandatory for you to qualify these 5 qualifying sections to get into the next stage. Okay, so this is the chart or table for the 2024 cutoff list for all the subjects. You can see here decision making. We know we have 10 questions. We will have a 10 questions, and for 2024 the cutoff was as low as 2. Okay, it was as low as 2. So just have a look over these things and study accordingly. Okay, and we know that PYQs become important part when we are doing the analysis. So yes, let's just do the analysis for decision making too. This is a chart of 4-year analysis for decision making. And yes, as I said, the cutoff is as low as 2 and the questions are repeated, the themes are repeated, and this analysis will help you to study selectively for the decision making part. Okay, so yes, let's just start with the 2024 analysis. You can see the concept of heuristic. Okay, heuristic is repeated, heuristic. So just go through the heuristic concept, it is really important under decision making. Okay. Next important is the model of decision making. There are two models, economic mind model and administrative mind model. And the question was on the feature of the that models, right? Which of the decision making model follow the rule of thumb? So yes, the just go and have a look over the features of these two models. And there is one concept, bounded rationality. It is a part of these models. So yes, just go through this two models again, which are important and repeated in the examination. Okay. Next is there are different types of decision making, like program decision making, strategic decision making, complex decision making, policy decisions, and non-program decision making. So rational decision making. So yes, there is a part called types of decision making that is again important. And yes, even though cutoff is low, that is true, the questions are not easy. Okay, they're kind of medium or difficult type of questions. Here you can see the question was not the direct definition of program decision making. You needed to identify the right example of the decision making, like there will be scenario, there will be case, and you need to identify which type of decision they have taken in the situation. Okay, so yes, so there will be questions on like a conceptual basis. There will not be a straightforward question here. Okay, so just study accordingly. You can see the next question was top level managers take which of the following decision. Drafting a school curriculum is a which type of decision. So example oriented or understanding oriented questions are there. So just have a look over the PYQs, what kind of questions are coming, and study accordingly. Okay. So next is this Delphi method, Pareto analysis, Pareto analysis. Okay, so these are the different decision making techniques which are there in the syllabus. So go and cover those. Pareto is repeated so many times, so this is again important. Okay. Then again, the Biases, okay, biases is the most important part. Every year you can expect one question from the bias, okay. So overconfidence bias, confirmation, hindsight bias, the confirmation bias. You can see the question here. The strategies that individual can employ to mitigate the confirmation bias. So these are the questions or the depth of the question that are coming from decision making. So yes, just study accordingly, okay. Then the part of communication, then leadership, then conflict. Okay, these are the areas from where the questions are coming. If you have ever studied the management for RBI, then it will be easy for you. Okay, this decision making for NABARD will be easy for you if you have ever studied management under subject under RBI, because many of the themes and the syllabus is repeated here. Okay, so yes, let's just discuss the important things that are coming in the decision making part. Okay, so at first, as I said, the models of decision making: economic man model, administrative man model, and this bounded rationality concept under this. Okay, so these are important. Go and have a look over the features of this. Okay, next is there are different approaches. Okay, in the critical condition, which approach you will choose to take a decision? Like less questions are there. Okay. Next is there are different techniques of decision making, like non-quantitative, quantitative. There are questions on these. Next, types of decision making. As I said, the example-based questions are there from here. So just go and have thorough understanding over the types of decision making. Then there are different modern decision making tools. As I said, the Pareto heuristic is repeated so many times. Pareto is repeated so many times. Then decision making step 40, which was the following is the first step of decision making. Then role and traits of manager. Okay, it's again the important part of the syllabus. And the biases is very important part. You cannot afford to miss this bias part. Okay, and the communication leadership is the part from where the questions are coming. So yes, just go through the 4 year analysis video. You will able to understand the nature of the questions that are coming. If you are gone through this PYQs, there will be one or two questions will be repeated, and they will help you to clear the sectional cutoff. But I will recommend you to at least study so you are easily able to solve 4 to 5 questions. So even if one question is getting wrong, you will easily clear the sectional cutoff. So yes, it is uh, it is not easy. Yes, I know it is not that easy, but yes, you need to work hard. Go through the PDFs, go through the PYQs, you will able to understand this. Okay. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next session.